Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today this is another Pandora haul from February to ngayon. So it's like a semi-annual update na because I only bought a few things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you an update. If you haven't seen my last video, the new ones that I have is the Korea bracelet, travel bracelet. It's the first charm I have for my travel bracelet. It's this one, the Chinese New Year bracelet. Na hindi ko siya lalagyan. I'm not going to put any charms in the Chinese New Year bracelet because it's really nice. It's the, what do you call this, the red and gold bracelet for 2026. Ayun! Oh, also, in my bracelet, by the way, this is, if you remember in my other vlogs, you can see this is my bracelet. And the new charms that I haven't vlogged, these two at the end. So it's the, ayan, it's the Mickey Mouse na New Year and the heart. I got that, I think, the heart I got for Valentine's Day ata. And then I have the Mickey Mouse one. Kita ba? Yeah, it's the Mickey Mouse one. Ayan. So those are the updated charms I have. But today again I bought a few more. I mean, yeah, a few more. Oh, also I also have the troll beads. Itong troll beads, before we go to the haul, I don't advise that you buy the copper bangle from them kasi ang daling mag-oxidize. Look. So this is the Chinese New Year charm, and then amethyst. Magaganda yung beads nila, pero don't buy the copper bangle. Anyway, ayan, so let's quickly get on this kasi I really got a few nice ones that are really nice. Few ones that are really nice. Alright, so we're going to open this one. We're gonna open this bag. And I'm gonna show you the things that I bought. So it's just a few things. It's only 2 boxes. Kasi I'm trying to save space on my charm bracelet for ones that I really, really like moving forward. Ayan, so we'll start with this box. Now, sana ito yung oh no, where's the item? I think it's in this box. They put it together in one box. Let's see. It's here. They put it in one box. So this is let me show you. Ayan. Hindi niyo pa nakita. Ayan. So it's this one. Sobrang ganda nung under yung the sea collection nila late this year. So I'm gonna show you. It's the crab. Kita ba? It's the crab. It's the crab. It's a crab charm, but instead of getting it as a charm, I also got the lace, the necklace. And this, I'm not really Cancer, but I like the crab, and I thought it's a good gift for my friend that has a birthday sa July, because July is the crab is for the Cancer zodiac, so maganda siya. Ayan. And the necklace is also gold plated. It's really nice. The overall thing, it's really nice. Yeah, so that's it. And the second one I bought is for me, kasi nga I really like the sea collection they have this year. So this one, let's unbox it. naman tayo sa boxes na ang hirap buksan. Please hold. Please hold. There, I opened it. Ha. So, ito siya, guys. Sharing! It is yung orca. It is the orca. And it says, sobrang ano kasi liit. Free as the ocean. As you can see here, it's free as the ocean. And then there's an orca. I think, I'm not sure if I want to put this sa charm bracelet, or if I'm just going to make this, I'm gonna add this. Yan, ayan siya. Can you see it? It's so nice. Ayan. So, this is the orca one. Sobrang gusto ko nito. Actually, gusto ko yung alligator. They also have a few more new things for the sea collection. Although, madami din na old ones, like the mermaid stuff. They try to put it as one collection. So, maganda siya. And, let me know in the comments below, where do you think I should put it? Kasi this one is my overall charm bracelet, my first one, and the one that I keep all my charms in for now, or here with my travel bracelet. I'm going to China kasi this July, hopefully matuloy. So I'm not sure if I should put the orca here because it's silver. So parang mas bagay siya kasi sa silver, and yan, orcas travel. I think. I think they travel. Something like that. So I'm not sure if I should put it here or in my original charm bracelet. But let me know in the comments below. This one was the first ones we unboxed, and then this one's my favorite, si Stitch and si Iron Man, of course, because again I'm Iron Man. And then si Sully. And then this one these are the new ones. See Mickey, and also the heart for. This one is a Ganochi charm, by the way. If you want to know more about that, you can see on my other video. And then also, this one is the newest one from January, which is the Korea charm. It's my first travel. I want this to be my travel bracelet, then travel charm. So this one is the one that we unboxed earlier. I'm leaning more into adding it here, kasama ni How to Train Your Dragon si Toothless. But I'm not sure if it's okay din dito kasi silver siya. Pero look, it's so nice. Free as the ocean. So nice. Ayun, so those are the updates on my Pandora things. My favorite so far na sobrang minsan ko lang ang gamitin is this one. This anong tawag dito? This Pandora Chinese bracelet. Sobrang ganda. Ayun, thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick video so that you can see yung updates on my Pandora things. I hope you're still watching. If you like this video, please do watch my other Pandora vlogs. If you like, Pandora things, or if you like totally, random things, you can just watch my other vlogs. We have travel vlogs and also tech vlogs na walang kwenta lang din. But thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And again, I hope you like this video. Bye.